Okay, AI is shaking up the pharma world, and the EU has a new rulebook for it, Annex 22. But with all this new power comes a huge question. How do we innovate and keep patients safe? Well, here's the problem. A lot of AI acts like a black box, and that just doesn't fly in pharma. So, to tackle this, the EU dropped a new guideline. Meet Annex 22, the new playbook for AI. Think of it as an add-on to the old Annex 11, but built just for the tricky parts of AI. And what's really cool is seeing how it builds on the old rules with specific new demands for AI. But does this cover all AI? Nope. The scope is actually super specific and deliberate. And this shows you exactly where regulators drew the line. They're focused on stable, predictable AI. It really all boils down to one thing. Is the AI's job considered critical or non-critical? So critical means it directly touches patient safety or product quality, and these get the most attention. But the draft is a bit vague here, so you have to do a risk assessment for every single case. The whole point, as one expert put it, is to stop treating AI like some mysterious black box. So how do you build that trust? Well, Annex 22 stands on three main pillars. Let's check them out. Pillar 1, data integrity is everything. Your test data has to be separate and totally realistic. This is huge for avoiding something called overfitting. It proves the model actually works in the real world. Okay, next up, explainability. You've got to be able to show how the AI got its answer. And get this, the guidance even suggests tools like SHAP and Lime to help you do it.
And finally, every prediction needs a confidence score. If it's low, a human has to check it out.
But it's not over once you go live. You have to keep monitoring the AI's performance constantly. And here's the bottom line. A human is always responsible, not the algorithm. AI is a tool, that's it. All right, so what can you do to get ready right now? Here's a quick 4-step playbook. And you'll want to pay attention because the era of regulated AI has officially arrived. The big takeaway here, it's not about stopping innovation. It's about making sure it's done right. Basically, these new rules are forcing everyone to take validation way more seriously. So that leaves us with one big question. Is your organization really ready for this?